Monday mornings are dreaded, but why not start the week off with a healthy breakfast cereal to boost your mood too and start your week well? Don't despair when Monday comes back in a jiffy. Starting your day on a positive note is a good thing, but how about starting your week off on a nutritionally positive way? Experts do often remind us that breakfast is the most important meal of the day. It's not without reason though, and that's where it's important to find yourself a healthy breakfast cereal with which to start the day with. Your morning breakfast is like the petrol you put into your car, it keeps you going and keeps you feeling energized. So it's most important that you choose something very wholesome as well as nutritious. And why not be a little more creative with those breakfasts than the boring cup of coffee? This may give you energy, but it's not going to last very long, and neither does it offer health benefits. Cereals for breakfast are the most popular choice most people make. You'll be astounded to know though many people know making their very own recipes from granola and muesli in the comfort of their own home. A breakfast cereal bar is easy to make at home, and even homemade granola is especially tasty and a great way to cheer you up on a Monday morning. Homemade granola is simply a mixture of rolled oats, nuts and seeds that are sweetened with honey and toasted until they are golden brown. Granola is not diet food, so do remember this, but we all need a bit of cheering up on a Monday, and granola is a winner for this. Appetizing and nice and crunchy, it's a great texture. The good thing is you can make granola bars, muesli bars and your own granola recipes in your own home. The crunchy feeling makes it great to have with milk, or eat as a dry cereal. Make it healthy for yourself by using brown sugar or honey, mix in a few berries, and fruits of your choice, add in some yogurt and perhaps another dollop of honey, and you have yourself a very delicious Monday breakfast. Look on the internet for plenty of granola recipes that are easily available. Try working on a simple idea first, and once you get the hang of how to make the granola, you can add in dried and mixed fruits. The good thing is it's not just a breakfast foods, it works well for snacks too. Granola is also a great food for those who go hiking, camping, or backpacking because it is lightweight, high in calories, and easy to store. This is one of the reasons why granola is popular in the bar form. It's almost like a tasty biscuit but much healthier. Granola can be eaten in combination with yogurt, honey, strawberries, bananas, milk, and other cereals and grains. Granola is very popular in the USA and gaining popularity in the UK now too. Cereal manufacturers are offering many more breakfast options these days compared to the conventional breakfast cereal. There are many functional cereals out there for specific health benefits.